Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this roaring 20s outfit in custom press with .vip. First of all guys, for the hair, you can choose 3 hairs. This one, and you're going to color it with this color for all the selections, and then combine it with this hair, make it the same color, and then put on this hair. And you're going to choose only bangs and make it the same color. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it black, and this necklace, make it white and also black. And then this necklace, make it black. This one, make it black as well. And this item, make it black and combine it with this ribbon, make it black and make it toggle too. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to select this corset, and then I'm going to change the toggle. Let me change it to dress, and then I'm going to make the second selection black. Okay, like that, and then I'm going to go to this menu, this area, and put on this item. I'm going to remove the fur. Okay, put on this gloves, make it white, and then I'm going to put on this item. Just leave it like that. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this heels. And for the heels, I'm going to make it all black. Okay, and for the last one as well. And then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from here, I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to choose this skirt. And for this skirt, I'm going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection, and for the third selection, make it white, and for the fourth selection and also the fifth selection, make it black. And then I'm going to, for the last selection, you're going to make it white. Let me move to the last selection and make it white like this. And then I'm going to go back to this menu and put on this top. And we're going to choose toggle 2. And for the first selection, make it black. And then for the second selection, make it white. And I'm going to put on this top from the wedge set and make it black for the first selection, and also the second selection, the third selection, and for the lace, I'm going to make it white. And then I'm going to put on this dress and I'm going to make it all black. And then I'm going to move to the next area, move to the skirt area and put on this skirt, and for the skirt, we're going to make it black. Okay guys, now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.